the hardest doesn't want to do it always. Means see here. Suppose that I am the leader of this group, and when I am the leader of this group, I don't want to take anyone's view into account. No. Why are you talking in it? मी माझ्या पद्धतीने करेन, मला कोणाची निवडून नको. किंवा एखादा हार्डवर्कर असतो, बाकीचे म्हणतात टॉपिक ना करतोय तो करू दे. त्याला सवय पुढे पुढे करायची. मग तो एकटाच काम करत असेल, that group is also not the group of collaborative learning. Or this is not the collaborative learning process. No one does the work because the one who normally works the hardest doesn't want to do it always. किंवा माझं असं मत असेल, मी करते ना, मला बाकीच्यांची निवडून नकोय. मी म्हणायचे धोरण, मी बांधायचे तोरण. Sometimes someone has type of extra session आपण म्हणूया उठून काही असते काहींची वर्गात सुद्धा. Because in our class there are many type of students. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे मुलं असतात, काही हुशार असतात, काही अति आजारू असतात. शाळेमध्ये खरंच एक निर्बंध असतो, काहींना कशाचीच काही घेणं देणं नसतं. पण या सगळ्यांना आपल्याला एकत्र करून we want to go there. एक छोटीशी रेस आपल्याला माहित असेल, एकटाचा प्रसंग आहे बघा. अपंग आणि मतिमंद मुलांची स्पर्धा असते. या स्पर्धेमध्ये कोण विजयी होणार हे विचारलेलं असतं, सांगलेलं असतं. त्यांना पळता येते ट्राय करून, आणि पळता पळता काय होतं की एक जो असतो त्यांच्यातला खाली पडतो. तो पडल्यानंतर पुढे गेल्यावर बाकीच्या लक्षात येतं की one of them is missing here, where is it? So they look at the back and he was there on the ground. All the members, all the competitors come there and म्हणजे मागे येतात. त्याला सगळेजण उचलतात आणि सगळेजण विजयी होतात. तसं आपल्याला आपल्या लर्निंग प्रोसेसमध्ये पाहिजे की आपल्याला मागे पडणाऱ्यांना घेऊन जायचं. हुशार मुलांना तर कुणी शिकवतो, कुणी शिकवतो. We can make all the toppers, but to whom? We don't know what is education. त्यांना काहीच कळत नाही, त्यांना काहीच येत नाही. त्यांच्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, त्यांना आपल्याला घेऊन पुढे जायचंय. And not only we want to take them with ourselves, but we want to teach them also, and we want our learning process a very enjoyable thing at that time. And by forming groups, if there are such kind of students in our group, this is not a collaborative learning situation. A more talented member may come up with all the answers and dictate to the group or work separately, ignoring other group members. See, what is not collaborative learning? This type of activity or this type of process if there is going on, it is not also collaborative learning. One of the students is doing, another student is doing something, and I don't want to share in it. I am sitting myself, I am doing my work myself, I don't want to share with you. This is not a group of collaborative learning. Okay, so I think you got the idea that this form of group work is not collaborative learning. So let's try other. Why should I always give answer? And if this is happen in all conditions, there is not a collaborative learning. Now see what are the requirements in our class for school. I have a book. I already showed you the name of the book, that is Sahakaryaatmak Gata Adhyayan by Lalita Agase, Dr. Lalita Agase. And here is a nice idea is given. How should be the group or how should be the class? Look here, what will be the class situation by taking such kind of activity in our classes? आपण PPT वाचूया, पण त्याआधी आकृती पाहूया. If the teacher is here, the students may sit like this type in our class. This is the first figure. Maybe in another construction, if the teacher is here is teacher, we will say that here is teacher, and the students are in front of us in such type of group. And if suppose the teacher is here, there may be such type of students around her or around him. Maybe it's C formula or C, म्हणजे C सारखा आपण बनवू शकतो. And in the third figure, we will see that the teacher is standing here and all the students are around her or around him. This type of class activity or class condition may be there. So All the members in this group are working together and they are coordinated with their teacher also. Teacher is the observer here. Teacher is the guide here. She is only a facilitator here. What are the types of teacher? We can say that teacher is a joker in our class. सर्कलचा जोकर कसा असतो मित्रांनो आपल्याला माहित असेल की सर्कलचा जोकर झोपाळ्यावर आधी करून पाहतो का की वॉन्ट टू टेस्ट इट इज इट राईट ऑर नॉट त्याला तो टेस्ट करायचा असतो सर्कलचा जोकर हा ज्याचा ऍक्टिव्हिटी होणार असती त्याला तो करून पाहतो तुलावर उभा राहून पाहतो व्हाय बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट टू टेस्ट and while other participants are doing their experiment or doing their performance on the circle at that time he was there for supporter आणि शिक्षक हा असा जोकर करला की तो सपोर्टर आहे विद्यार्थ्यांच्या लर्निंग प्रोसेस मध्ये टीचर इज अ supporter teacher is a guide teacher is a facilitator I think all of you knew the idea that is in constructivism what is the role of a teacher and so teacher is a guide teacher is a torchbearer teacher is a facilitator teacher is a